Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today I would like to present our work. That is a presentation about bioethanol production from mango waste. We are from section 2, group 1. Okay, first of all, this is our group members. First is Muhammad Nohaikan Uman bin Muhammad Norkan. Second is Maas Bagawi bin Saha. Third is Matthew McKinney, anak Michael Freddy. And the fourth one is Muhammad Alif Najmi bin Rashidi. Okay, for introduction is the organic materials found in mango waste, such as peels, seeds, and pulp can be turned into bioethanol, offering a way to lessen the landfill waste and the carbon footprint. Because it uses waste material rather than fresh agriculture products, bioethanol made from mango waste typically has a lower carbon footprint than fossil fuels. Mango waste is frequently thrown away in large quantities, especially in areas where mango are grown, using it to produce bioethanol as a resource that would otherwise contribute to environmental issues like methane emission and decomposition. Bioethanol produced from conventional crop has a lower environmental impact because it reuses waste material and does not require specialized agricultural land, water, or fertilizers.
So these are the fermentation process in this production. So microbial organism, the fermentation process use microorganism, primarily yeast, to convert sugars from mango waste into ethanol. Mango waste, especially from the pulp, is rich in sugars like glucose and fructose, which yeast can ferment anaerobically. So there are 6 fermentation processes. So the first one is exploration and production. The second one is refining and processing. The third one is distribution and logistics. The fourth one is technology and innovation. The fifth one is environmental stewardship. And the last one is community engagement.
Okay, so next is step of production of bioethanol from mango waste. The first step is procuring the mango waste. The mango doesn't matter if it's the mango peel, seeds, or even pulps. We can collect it from agricultural and industrial mango waste from processing plants or markets. Its benefits by using mango waste, we can repurpose the waste to reduce landfill methane emission. The second step is pre-treatment. We need to pre-treat the mango waste, such as reducing the size. By grinding the mango waste into a smaller particle, it will increase surface area of each particle. After that, we can dry the mango waste to remove excess moisture for better processing. And the mango waste will go through a hydrolysis using enzymatic treatment to break down complex carbohydrates such as glucose and starch into simple fermentable sugar, which are glucose and fructose. The enzyme that will be used are glucose and amylase. The energy that are used in this pre-treatment can be offset with renewable energy integration. The third steps are fermentation. By fermenting the mango waste using yeast in an anaerobic condition between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius for about 48 hours, we can turn the sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide. There are some small byproducts which are glycerol and organic acids. The carbon dioxide released here is biogenic, which is part of the short-term carbon cycle. The first step are distillation. The purpose for distillation is to purify the ethanol from the fermentation broth. The steps are primary distillation, which will vaporize the ethanol and condense it. After that, rectifications, which will further increase the purity of the ethanol into about 95%. And the energy usage in distillation is energy intensive by using waste heat recovery improve carbon efficiency. And the last step is the finished product bioethanol will be a full grade ethanol, which can be used for renewable biofuel for blending with petrol or as a standalone fuel. Its environmental benefits: it can reduce fossil fuel dependency, carbon neutral combustion.
So for the sustainability consideration, so the first one is long-term sustainability of bioethanol. Bioethanol from mango waste is a renewable energy source, especially important as an alternative to fossil fuels. Its long-term sustainability depends on using waste material that will otherwise be discarded, reducing reliance on food crops. So the second one is food and energy security. Since mango waste is already produced as part of fruit harvesting, using it for bioethanol production does not compete with food resources, making it more sustainable in terms of food security. Food security. In terms of energy security, it provides a local renewable energy source that can contribute to reducing dependence on imported fuels.
Okay, so now for my part, I would like to give an elaboration for the technology advancement. So in here, we know that in order to amplify the amount of the product, we need to have such an advanced technology to improve it. So dengan menggunakan teknologi kemajuan, kita dapat mencapai produk kepada satu tahap yang lebih berkualiti dan banyak. So antaranya adalah dengan cara genetic engineering of yeast. So melalui genetic engineering of yeast ni kita uh, are able to increase the ability of fermentation process, di mana kita menggunakan yeast tersebut untuk melakukan proses fermentasi di bawah condition yang oksigennya terhad. So melalui proses ini, a variety of sugar from mango waste, and from this mango waste dapat kita increase efficiency untuk menghasilkan bioethanol generation. So second point is kita boleh melakukan combining reactor. So dengan combine the reactor, we would like to improve the heat recovery. So kita boleh improvekan lagi dia punya tenaga haba untuk mencapai satu keadaan yang optimal, supaya energi yang digunakan ini dapat dikurangkan, so pada masa yang sama penghasilan kepada produk dapat ditingkatkan. Okay.
Okay, so this is our flow chart, and we start with the mango waste that is the peels, seeds, or pulp. Then we can go to the pre-treatment process. That is, we reduce the size of the waste into a smaller pieces by using chopping, drying, and milling method. And we also adjust the acidity, and it is optional step. Then we can either go to the fermentation or the enzymatic hydrolysis. If we go to the enzymatic hydrolysis, the cellulase, hemicellulase, and pectinase conversion complex sugars into fermentable sugars. Otherwise, it fermentation using yeast. Example using Saccharomyces cerevisiae and produce to bioethanol. Then we go to the fermentation process. That is separation ethanol from water and other components, and purifying ethanol produced in the fermentation. After that, we go to the last step, that is distillation, that purifying ethanol from water and other components.
So, in conclusion, the production of bioethanol from mango waste presents a promising and sustainable approach to both waste management and renewable energy generation. By utilizing mango byproducts such as peels, seeds, and pulp, we can significantly reduce environmental waste while creating a valuable source of biofuel. The process not only contributes to reducing dependence on fossil fuels, but also supports the circular economy by turning agricultural waste into a usable resource. However, challenges such as optimizing the fermentation process and scaling up production need to be addressed for it to become a viable industrial solution. Overall, mango waste-derived bioethanol holds great potential for enhancing sustainability in the energy sector and reducing environmental impact.